Hi, I'm Joanne and I'm the owner of Action Insurance Repair. We're a specialist building company and our niche is repairing properties following an insurance claim for a fire, flood or a water leak to either a home or business premises. If you're about to make an insurance claim for damage to your property, we can help. From emergency repairs to drying out to reinstatement work, our team of insurance experts can handle it all. What's more, we've teamed up with some of the best local loss assessors in this area. So if you don't want to have the stress and inconvenience of handling your own insurance claim, you can hand that over to somebody else. And best of all, when you use Action Insurance Repair to carry out the repairs, the loss assessing on the building side is completely free of charge. So if we sound like what you're looking for, we'd love to hear from you and we're ready to help.